withdraw and push, the movement of withdraw and push is very good for if a push comes onto the chest and is there to move you back. So my assistant here will show a good push. Yeah, it's a Tai Chi push, very good push. So here, when he tries this, I'll be doing the movement of withdraw and push to open up and then push him back straight away. So if you do it slowly, as the push comes onto me, I'm lifting up from underneath, not directly opposing the force, from underneath, lifting up, maybe moving his arms down, getting ready to push, and then throwing him back. So we'll do one more time. So here, pushing. Oh! Try not to allow him to do that and use my withdraw and push him back. Yeah. It's the same for the other way of doing the withdraw and push here. But this time you might want to strike, push him down to the ground because the direction is downwards. So that's another application for the downward movement. To get used to the movement, you can do a drill, which is as the push comes on, I lift the arms up and then I go to push my partner. He lifts up and comes around in a circle to push me. I lift up and push. And this way you can get used to the timing of the push. If you're too late, you'll be pushed. If you're too early, he can lock down your arms and push you. So here you have to be just right and in the right place to push. Open. There we go. And off he goes. So that's a application for withdraw and push.